Hello guys, and welcome back to this next lecture from this course on how to use GrooveFunnels to build websites, pages, sales pages and whole funnels for your online business. Basically, this is the place where you want to go if you want to build your whole online business. Okay, you can do that. Now, after you log in to the dashboard, we have already covered this part in the previous lectures, but we will talk about it again. You have seen how you can create different pages. You have seen how you can create a funnel. Now let me show you, or let us show you, how you can create an actual product. You know, a product that you can put a price on, a product that you can actually sell, because GrooveFunnels also has GrooveSell. Basically, they can process the payments of your clients. They can process those payments for you, like Stripe or like PayPal or like other payment processors. So you have everything in one place. They actually have some very cool features, and we will talk about them a little later in a different lecture. So if you are going to decide to work with them for the payment processing, you will also have some benefits on the financial side. Now, after you log into the dashboard, again, in the upper part, in the quick links section, you will have the manage products option. If you are going to click on the manage products option, you are going to see basically the dashboard, sales, new sales, okay, all the stats, but we are not, obviously we are not seeing any stats right now because we don't use it for any product at the moment, but the idea is that you can use it, okay? And what you will look in the left side, what you look at in the left side menu, okay, you can see that you have product funnels. If we are going to click on product funnels, a new menu will pop up for us, and you can see here that we had a draft one created, but we are going to delete it and create a new one. Basically, here you can create the whole product funnel. If you want to sell a product with GrooveFunnels, you can create that here, okay? And you can see you have more options here. You have product funnels, affiliate portals, coupons, tracking links, page trackings, partner contracts, sales tax settings, domains. Okay, so you can basically add your own domain, and you can get affiliates to promote your product, which is very, very important. Basically, GrooveFunnels can act as an affiliate network for you. Okay, now let me go further with the information. If you are going to click on the new product funnel button in the top right corner, you can start to create the product funnel. Okay, we should give it a name, test product, internal name, test product 1 to 3, description, testing the funnel, currency USD, no domain selected. We just leave it like this. Okay, create product funnel, and this is it. Okay, the product has been created for us, and you will see that we have some options. Okay, to embed the code, to edit the product funnel, okay, to add a new product, to preview, okay, the price points and everything. What we want to do is go on the edit button, and now we will have to set all the info for our product. Okay, test product 1 to 3. This is a front-end product, not an upsell. Save and next. Now we have pricing, one-time price. We can also have trial. We can set it at $17. Okay, save and next. Oh, we have to put a description, this price, save and next. You can see that we have to walk through all of the options. The payment gateways, apply for a merchant account, set up gateways. Okay, you can see here that you have many options. PayPal, GrooveSell payments, credit card. Okay, GrooveSell payments, as I've told you, you can apply for GrooveSell, and we are going to show you in a different lecture how to do that. And then you can process your payments through GrooveSell. For now, we are just going to click on save and next. the contents of the product funnel, which is the sales page URL, the sales page which you have probably created with the Groove pages. Okay, the thank you page, the refund period. You can set up a refund period. Legally, it's it's mandatory to give at least 30 days. You can give more, it's up to you. Support information, yes, add my support information, URL, help desk URL, and so on. We are just going to leave the option no, don't add support, so we don't have to type other things for now. Thank you page, we don't have a thank you page. Test.com, thank you. Save and next. Wait a second. Okay, save and next. Okay, the checkout page. Here you can set up the checkout page. We are just going to leave it like that. The form fields, you can see you have more options here. We won't go into all the details. I just want to show you how to walk fast through the product funnel creation process. The pre-sale order, the post-sale order, no, don't activate. These are more complex options for, let's say, more experienced marketers. Post-transaction URL. Okay, save and next. Fulfillment, memberships. If you have a membership, different integrations. If you have an integration with a membership platform or something. Webhook files, you can upload the files directly here. Okay, save and next. Affiliates, you can activate the affiliate program if you want to from here. Save and next. Proof widgets, if you want to add or to create a proof widget, okay, this will basically increase your conversion, but we won't go into any details with that. It's something that you can test and play with around a little bit yourself, so you can see if it's a good fit for your offer or not. Then save and next, the finish option. Congratulations. Okay, this is the tracking link for the product sales page. You can then create promotional tools. You have the option to create promotional tools or go back to the dashboard. Then save and exit. And this is it. Our product funnel has been created. Thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture.